A routine traffic stop quickly turned into a dangerous high-speed pursuit through Osceola, Missouri. After spotting a white GMC Sierra traveling nearly 100 miles per hour, a Missouri State Highway Patrol trooper attempted to stop the vehicle. Instead of pulling over, the driver accelerated, weaving through traffic and taking increasingly dangerous actions to avoid arrest. As the chase continued, the suspect drove into oncoming traffic, forcing officers to make split-second decisions to protect innocent drivers. Moments later, the fleeing truck collided with another vehicle before leaving the roadway and becoming stuck in the mud. The driver abandoned the stolen truck and fled on foot, triggering a lengthy search before officers finally located and arrested him several hours later. In this video, we'll break down the entire pursuit from start to finish, highlighting the key moments and decisions that brought this dangerous chase to an end.
Slow down and brake checking 248 at 92 miles per hour. How's traffic?
It's now southbound in the northbound lane.
Dropping southbound in the northbound lane of 13. Through the officers, all traffic, less rush roads. 248 original charges speed, is that correct? Springfield 248.
I hit him off the road. We're southbound. Oh, he just struck another car. We're at Wheeler's Livestock.
Are you still mobile? Copy. Black shirt, blue jeans, and tennis shoes. Springfield 971. I'm southbound on 83 trying to get to View Victor over to 13. 10-4, 488. They're in front of Wheeler's Livestock now. The 248's vehicle was disabled. 2712 to 15, they're in front of Wheeler's vehicle. To 248 St. Clair County has two deputies en route from north of Osceola. 2712, copy. 275012, do we have a description? Signal state transfer. There's been no fun. 248, would you ask her, is he from Independence?
Is he from Independence?
Yeah.
Yeah?
We both are.
She said yeah. Also, headed by St. Clair County. He's going to be a white male. Blue jeans, black t-shirt, skinny build, probably about 6'1". Brown hair.
I have in the truck is my pack of cigarettes.
Huh?
My pack of cigarettes out the truck. That's the only thing I have in there.
Negative, I couldn't tell. Was he armed? Does he have any guns or anything on him?
Not on him.
Huh?
Not on him.
Is there one in the vehicle? The girlfriend advised he did have a gun, but she believes it's in the vehicle. So I'm gonna have to check that real quick. 10-4. What an idiot. Can't believe he did that.
You're trying to get out of town and go be with his grandma so that we can stay sober for a day. We're trying to get better. But this happened. We should have responded.
I do not. Springfield 241.
Go ahead.
Tristan Dean Lynn, 1099J1 times 4 out of Raytown, outside extradition. Charges include obstructing and resisting arrest, eluding police officers, and tampering.
10-4, I'll have
Also, 248, True Bay advised that Henry County and Clinton PD have drones if needed.
I imagine he's going to be up here somewhere in this livestock auction arena. There's nobody up here, so he's probably up here hiding somewhere in this building.
10-4.
So is that his vehicle, or is it a stolen vehicle, or what?
It's a stolen vehicle. That's what it is.
248 Springfield, you get a read back on that license plate.
Set on the 9672 King Boy.
10-3 out of Kentucky.
10-4, there's no 29 and no record found through Kentucky.
10-4, the girlfriend's advising me it's a stolen vehicle.
10-4.
Is that a plate that they just got from somewhere, or what?
I don't know. I'm gonna get home from here. This is whack.
I don't know.
I'd have to figure it out. What was I thinking? We were trying to go to his grandma's to get
Well, when you
sober.
guys decided to go the wrong way, I'm like, I can't allow that. So then I had to hit you, so that way we didn't kill anybody.